He sure is taking his sweet time up there.
Come on, Flap! Flying out here and set a new record.
Yeah, Flap! Bring it on out here!
Get him out of the water!
Come on, Neil. You know my house is slow.
Yeah, well, if you don't get down here quick, Zippy's gonna wet his trousers.
Hey!
I hate to tell you guys, but I just saw another migration heading out of here.
Oh, come on. Don't be jealous of those old-timers. A little more flight practice, and that'll be us getting out of this podunk town.
Yeah, a flock of 3.
The team's right on time.
So, how's the wing?
Zip it, my boy. Do believe the wing is ready for action.
Ah, finally. Another week of just me and Zippy practicing, and I thought I was gonna go nuts.
So, does that mean?
Yep. The Flap Crashers are officially back in formation.
Have pity on this slow-motion city. So sick and tired of the old nitty-gritty. How about you hens want to make a bet I can fly from here all the way to that purple pod plant over there?
Whoa.
Sorry, buddy.
Come on, Zippy, those things are as tough as they are dumb.
Ladies and gentlemen, time for round 2,022 at Flap Splash Pond.
This place is even starting to smell like us.
You know, I've actually missed that musky smell.
What do you think of those, Chief?
You guys are about to pass me?
You should have seen this one jump, Flap, I swear. I was... Would you look at that? It's like they're teasing us.
We gotta find out what it's like out there.
Couldn't agree with you more, buddy. Now, let's let the champ show us how it's done.
You can't think too much, Flap.
I'm working up to it, Zip. Don't rush me.
No one's rushing you. Just hurry up and go.
I'm going. Later. I'll just start the day measuring your flights.
Come on. If you don't start flying soon, we're going to leave you on the ground.
Hey! Don't say that.
Come on! Let's start moving these markers!
Whee! I think I go just a bit further with my head tilted to the right.
No, Zip, it's all in the tail feathers. You gotta fan your tail feathers all the way out, push it until it hurts, then bring your head back. Believe what you want, Zip, but I'm telling you, Flap has completely bailed on the team.
Bull Hunky! I don't know where he is, but Flap has not bailed on us.
Do this. Have to do this. I know I can do this. I can do this.
Flap, what in all holy heck is this about?
Well, fellas, I reckon I got a plan. Can I count you in?
Yeah, sure.
Are you bets camaraderino?
On my count. 1,
This is too weird.
2,
Flap.
3.
thought you were heading out of town.
Yeah, okay.